How to use Phantom Wallet with Jupiter Exchange. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use Phantom Wallet with Jupiter Exchange. For this, you want to open the Phantom Wallet app on your device. Once you open the application, make sure to sign into your account. Now, in order to use Phantom Wallet with Jupiter Exchange, you want to tap on the browser icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then from here you can search for sites token and URL. If you scroll down here under the trending sites, you have the Jupiter option. Go ahead and tap on that, or you can search for it on the search bar as well. Once you tap on the Jupiter option, it will take you to the official website of Jupiter Exchange. Now, in order to connect your Phantom Wallet with Jupiter Exchange, you want to tap on the Connect Wallet option. Now from here, you want to select Phantom. Now you will have to select the account that you want to connect in Jupiter Exchange. Once you select the account, as you can see, you have been successfully connected with Jupiter Exchange. At the top, you have this Phantom Wallet option here as well. Now, you can simply tap on the swap option, then select what you're selling from this drop down. Once you have selected that, you can select what you're buying. Then you can simply enter the amount in this way. After that, tap on the swap option at the bottom of your screen. And in this way, you can use Phantom Wallet with Jupiter Exchange. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.